Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's comparison, we're diving into two popular coffee machines of 2025, the Nespresso Vertuo Next and the Keurig K Supreme Plus. If you're a coffee lover, stay tuned to see which one offers the best brewing experience. Let's start with the Nespresso Vertuo Next. This machine is known for its innovative brewing technology that uses centrifusion to extract coffee, creating a rich, full-bodied cup. It offers a wide variety of coffee options, from espresso to larger coffee cups, with Nespresso's signature pods. The Vertuo Next is designed to automatically adjust brewing parameters based on the pod size, ensuring you get the perfect brew every time. Plus, it's Wi-Fi enabled, so you can connect it to the Nespresso app for easy customization. On the other hand, the Keurig K Supreme Plus provides Keurig's signature K-Cups for a convenient single-serve experience. This machine features MultiStream Technology, which delivers multiple streams of water through the pod for a richer, fuller taste. It also has an adjustable strength setting, so you can customize the intensity of your brew. The K Supreme Plus has a larger water reservoir, making it ideal for people who brew multiple cups in one go. It also has a strong brew option, giving you a more robust cup of coffee. When comparing both, the Nespresso Vertuo Next stands out for its premium espresso-style coffee and sleek design, perfect for those who enjoy a more sophisticated cup. On the other hand, the Keurig K Supreme Plus offers more flexibility and convenience with its wide range of available K-Cups and customizable brew strengths, making it a great choice for people who prefer variety and ease of use. So, which coffee maker do you think best fits your coffee needs? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.